We're the Boundless Bronnekes. I'm Kestra and James, and we have been RVing since 2016, and we're in the new BONUS38 from Primetime. We just became Primetime ambassadors, and today's actually our first day seeing this trailer in person, and we're so excited for it. So we've been working with Primetime for a while, and we actually helped with some of the design elements on this fifth wheel, which I feel like it turned out so good.
It did.
There's some big things that we wanted to make sure were really nice for families, especially because it's really hard to find like a family fifth wheel that has living space, that has cooking space, sleeping space, and just feels comfortable for everybody. This one really hit the mark. The kitchen is huge, full-size appliances. Our son loves to bake,
yes,
so he's really excited about making banana bread in there. We have a big, huge window in the back of this one that's going to be awesome when you have those back end sights, a really great view out the back. It's got a 65-inch huge TV, which
with a big L sitting couch. So
big
everything
sectional.
We've been rolling around in a much smaller fifth wheel for the last 4 years. So everything in this new Primetime is like everything is bigger fridge.
Yes.
It's got the 4-burner stove, the big sink, and then the kids also are going to have a much bigger room. They got a bigger loft, more room in the top, and then our master bedroom, like 3 ACs on this, one of them being an 18K is going to cool this place down exponentially. But our bedroom I'm super excited about because on our old rig, like it had the big slope in the front, so every time I would walk in I'd hit my head. It was uncomfortable, and this one is a flat roof all the way back, and there's just so much more room.
I feel like everything's like supersized from what we had. So we really took our experience RVing and helped to give that input on this trailer to make it just feel so much more usable, so much more comfortable. I mean, this couch itself, like you could have a whole bunch of people in here and still feel comfortable and not feel like you're crammed in, where a lot of times it feels like that. This is a wide body. I think this one's 102 inches, and you really notice like a couple inches doesn't seem like very much, but when you are in a trailer and those few inches along the whole length of it, like you really notice how much more space you have. There's room for washer dryer hookup in this. It's really nice. We're super excited. Yes.
That's one of my favorite things about this is we're working with the Primetime team, and their biggest goal was one, to make a rig that is almost like a luxury style rig, but at a cost that you could afford it. So I'm really excited to start pushing this rig out to show people.